All right guys, so today we're going to be replacing those brackets that basically hold your bumper up flush to your headlight slash fender. So here is the bumper bracket. Here is the part number for it. I got both sides there. So this, pretty sure it's a very, very easy install. It's kind of funny though, because I ain't seen any videos on it, so I figured I might as well go ahead and upload a video of it. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and take my bumper off. All right guys, that was probably the easiest install I have ever done. Probably why there wasn't a video on it, because it's all it is 3 bolts and it comes off, it snaps off. But you see it, close that gap up. I just have to put these in. But yeah, so those are known for wearing out. I don't know why they sag like they do, but I think it was like 25 bucks or something for both of them. And I also saw this kit when I was buying them, so I went ahead and got it. This is all the plastic pins for a lot of the stuff on the car. This was like 10 bucks. But you break those every time you try to take them out of the car. So that's going to be super handy to have. But yeah, there's the install. I know I haven't installed or uploaded in a while. I've got a video on this that I'll probably post in a couple weeks. I'm rebuilding the engine. But yeah, so if you want to see that, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.